The table below shows the first five terms of an arithmetic sequence. Which of the following is a general expression for the nth term? So I'm going to show you the fast way to do this first, and then we can have a little more of an in-depth discussion on how I'm kind of getting there. So basically the first thing I'm looking for is my common difference. So going from here to here, this is plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. So I know my common difference is going to be positive 4, which is immediately going to tell me this is my answer choice. However, now let's break this down a little further. So something I didn't discuss in the overview video is that arithmetic sequences are basically linear functions. And if you look at this, you may notice that this looks a lot like your y equals mx plus b formula, right? Where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept, right? So that's kind of the same thing here. My term position, you can kind of just think as like the change in my x values, and you can think of these, your actual values as your change in y's, right? So when I find this common difference, I'm basically thinking of this as slope, and that's how I can be so fast in choosing that answer choice of H. Next thing to note, and just to kind of show how you get B, what's a little different about sequences is that it's actually not really different, but it may be slightly counterintuitive, is that we would have to think about the 0th term position, right? Which that's why it really is like a linear function. When you're finding the y-intercept, your x coordinate is always going to be 0. Just like here, it would have to be our 0th position to get our starting value. So if I were to follow this same difference of adding 4 every time, to go backwards, I would just subtract 4, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3, right? So that's where this starting value comes from. All right, cool. Moving on.